the Gold Series by Helen of Troy. This is a professional grade curling iron. I want to show you how this type of barrel, this is a 2-inch barrel, how this actually looks on the hair. And to show you why this is one of my favorite tools to use when I want that wave, or you might consider a curl in the hair. So this thing heats up. You can see it has a manual dial here. It goes up to 450 degrees. So if you have thick hair, like I do, you might love this. Let me show you why. And it heats up really quick. We're gonna do this Matrix Sleek Iron Smoother. You're supposed to put it on dry hair. My hair is very, very dry. That is charging, and let's see if this actually leaves our hair super silky as well, or smooth looking. It smells good. I think that's plenty. That was a bad example. I actually needed to heat up a little bit more. I'm going to show you the difference from going from the top and bending it like this to the other side, from going from the bottom and bending it. So what I like to do is I like to, you know, even though there's good tension already, if you push this up, it actually holds the hair so much tighter. You see, I'm actually, so see, I can slide it if I'm not pushing it, but if I'm pushing it, I cannot slide it. So that just really kind of stamps in, especially when you get to the ends right there, where your hair kind of falls through really quick. That kind of holds everything in place. Look, that is this side. Isn't that pretty? Now watch this side. So just keep in mind that you want your ends when you start to be on the top, not to go down to that bottom part. You see, you want it more in the middle or the top, so that they really hold tight and don't fall through the little ending right there. Let me show you the difference. This is going from the end up, and this was going from the top to the bottom. Hot already, so we're gonna pull it out. That's the difference right there. So look, when I comb it out, this one has a beautiful bend to the hair, you know? Looks like you flat ironed it with that curl at the end, and this one still has it, but it has more of a big curl. So I'm gonna do half of my head this way and the other half this way. Here is a little tip if your hair constantly falls out of the curling iron. Let me show you. You'll take one piece. If you'd like to curl it from the bottom, don't let your hair come down here where it gets to be like a tiny little gap. When you curl it, right, make sure that this curl, the end of the hair is on top of the curling iron. When you do that, it's not gonna slide through that little crease, and it's gonna stay nice and tight, as you can see. But you can already start seeing the difference from one side to the other, even though I'm going in the same direction. I'm going away from my face on this side and away from my face on that side. And you can see I'm not taking skinny little parts. I'm taking big chunks. Look. I'm taking big chunks, and it still does such a beautiful job. So let me finish, and you can tell me which side you like better. Okay, and there we have it. This side is done. It was curled from the bottom up, and this was curled from the middle up. You can clearly see the difference in the curl and how it performs, right? But let's run our fingers through it so you can see the difference. Can you tell the difference? This one has more of that curve right there from us curling it right there, and it goes like that on the bottom. But this one actually has more volume on the bottom. I mean, I think I can tell the difference. Hopefully you can tell the difference. They both look amazing, but they look different as well. Anyways, my whole point is that this curling iron is amazing. And if you ever wonder how somebody gets that voluminous hair and you're thinking, oh, they must have just taken a flat iron. No, this is a curling iron, and that's the effect that a curling iron will do. Look at that. I think it looks amazing. You guys let me know which side you like better, this side or that side. We're going to say this is number 1 and this is number 2. But yeah, there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial or this little review. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like and leave me a comment. I love you guys. Remember, God loves you. I love you. Love yourself. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.